So if you happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you're searching myEcon and maybe you stumble across one of my videos and it says myEcon guaranteed sales, how the hell does that work? Let me explain that to you in this video because I've been getting a lot of comments and questions on some of my videos. People are texting me and reaching out and saying, hey, I'm in myEcon or I want to get guaranteed sales, or how does this whole thing work? So let me take a minute and explain to you in this video exactly what I do, how I do it, and how I'm able to make this guarantee. So if you're looking at myEcon, pay very close attention to this video. Also, pay very close attention to my channel. My name is Daniel. I am a CEO Infinity with myEcon. I've been with the company since 2018, and we have a very large, very fast-moving team. And we do very, very well for ourselves because we have a proven and documented system. If you watch this video all the way through, at the end of this video, I'm going to leave you an end card that you can click on. You can watch my full tutorial and overview that explains, everything that you get, all of your sales funnels, your done for you email follow-ups, our app, which is created exclusively just for us and our team. Again, another thing that only is available in our myEcon team versus any other team. And I think that's where a lot of folks, I've had some people reach out that are already in myEcon saying, oh, hey, can I get your guaranteed sales? I'm like, no, because you didn't join me. You joined some other random person and you're just reaching out to me. I'm like, nope, sorry. So that's kind of, some of the perks and benefits, the exclusivity. Did I say that word right? That you get with being with our team. So again, how can I afford to give away guaranteed sales? Well, I'm going to jump over here to my email inbox. This is my Gmail here, and you can see just all the myEcon sales just kind of pouring in. So what I want to highlight is here, the reason why I'm able to do this, and the reason why I do this is because I make sales every single day and every single week. You can just, kind of look at the dates, see over here. It's very consistent. Sometimes even as high as 7 sales in a 24-hour period, 11 sales in a 24-hour period, but always, typically making multiple sales in a 24-hour period, which is the reason why I can afford to give away sales. So what I choose to do for me and my team and the people that decide to get started with me is, to throw you a bone, to help you out when you're getting started. And I'm going to guarantee, if you decide to start with me and you hit the link in the description down below, you could either type myEcon Global into your browser or just simply hit the links down in the description below this video. And when you do, you're going to land on this page right here. You're going to see my guaranteed sales offer right here. And I don't do this forever. I do this in limited windows. So depending on when you watch this video, you may have the chance to get in. The offer may have expired. So you'll see that right here on your screen. So you can go through and the guaranteed sales is not on every single level that we have. Like if you come in at the $45 level or the $25 level, the guarantee is not there. It's only for the $59 level, which is international, anyone outside of the United States, or the $99 level, which is here in the United States. You'll see that. But here's how it works, okay? I just want to explain this so you can kind of see it for yourself. This is how you get yourself into my personal sales rotator. So when you specifically click on this link right here, this is the rotator. You will see other people. When you click on this link, you will see other names besides myself, and you will the goal here is for you to join that person because that's going to be you. When you join, you're going to go through and you're going to get started. And in my overview video, again, end card at the end of this video, or what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description down below. And you can see in my overview video, my tutorial, I explain how the rotator works. And specifically, there's 4 steps that you need to do in order to make sure that I get your username and you get into this. Or if you just decide to get started right now, what you can either do is you can email me or you can text me. I'll leave my phone number right here at the top of this video, or you can just simply comment your username on this video if you decide to get started. Once I get your username, I'm going to put you into the rotator. So what I'm going to do now is something that I don't normally do in my videos. I'm actually going to show you the rotator. So in other words, when you click this link right here, it says click here to enroll. Okay. What that does is that rotates through, you see right here. Okay. It says rotator URLs for myEcon Global. Okay. So that's rotating through all the different people that are in the rotator. And what I want to do is I want to highlight real quick here. And I just kind of want to show you, you can see like this person's name right here, and over to the right, it says paused. Okay, paused. So all the names in here that say paused, these are people that have made sales in my rotator. So once you make sales, I click pause, and then that opens up more, so this person here, these person here, they can stand. These people are active right now. So you, at the time of this video, now chances are by the time you watch this video, these people will probably have made sales, and then I will pause them in the rotator. So that's what I do. I guarantee that you're going to make a sale because I want to show you that, yes, 100% this is going to work. This is a very credible, valid opportunity. myEcon is an incredible company, and they've been in the industry for 20 years. So that is how my rotator works. I have pages of people in here. Okay, so as soon as you make a sale, I literally just change your status from active over to pause because I want to help you win. I want to help, the average person coming in that's, never really made a dime online, never made a sale, never figured out how this whole thing works, straight up like what we have, it's proven, it's documented. My overview at the end of this video will kind of walk you through some of those real results, real people making real results that have plugged into our system. We've helped over 10,000 people use our system and make their first dollar online. So go ahead, hit the link in the description down below. If you're outside of the USA, you can click on this link right here. If you're inside of the USA and you want to get into the rotator, you just simply click on that link right there. And again, that goes straight into my sales rotator. So there's a really good chance that you could join someone other than me, and that's totally okay because this is how this is how I, and this is how you can help other people win. It's a team effort here. You know the acronym for team. Together, everyone achieves more. Now, also something to think about here too, like as you're scrolling through YouTube here, you got to realize that this thing, this guaranteed sales thing here, this is for me and my team only. Okay, this is not for, you cannot buy your way into this. You cannot be on somebody else's team and say, oh, can I get your system? Can I get into your sales rotator? The answer to that is no, because this is what we do that makes us exclusive. This is what we do that makes us different. Our app, our sales funnels, all those things are proprietary to our team. So, we make that available to our team, and our system, which, by the way, when you do hit the link in the description down below, or you watch the end card at the end of this video and you do watch the full tutorial and overview and see that over $10,000 in free value that we give you just for getting started, that is exclusive to our team. All those things are proprietary just to our team, which is the funnel team. Okay. And we've been doing this for years, guys. We've had free systems and free things that we offer to our team for years. And that's just what makes us, a little bit different than the average, network marketer, the average affiliate marketer out there that's just, doing the same old thing. We wanted to be different. We wanted to be exclusive. We wanted to have some things that were unique that gave people an advantage when it came to promoting myEcon and getting some very significant results in their business. We wanted to do something that was, a little bit different. And that's not to say that you can't go, join any other person and get results in myEcon. You most likely can. There's other leaders that are in myEcon that are incredibly successful, but they don't have a system. They kind of do their own thing. So, it all depends on what's going to work best for you. But hopefully this video was helpful for you. Hopefully you have an idea now a little bit more clearly of, what does the guaranteed sales thing mean? It means that you have to join me. It means that you have to, if you want the guaranteed sales, you have to click the link in the description down below and go through my specific join link, go into my specific rotator in order to get those sales. So you cannot be on anyone else's team. If you're already in, let's say you join, myself or somebody else 6 months ago or, year ago, whatever it was, this, will not apply. This is for new members only that are coming in. So just, again, something we wanted to do, something I wanted to do that was a little special, a little unique to help people get results. I'm very fortunate enough to make a lot of sales, and I want to pass some of those sales on to you. I want to help you make money. So if you're looking to get started with myEcon, of course, link in the description down below. Get yourself started and make sure you obviously get me your username so I can plug you into the rotator. And of course, if you want to go ahead and click here at the end card at the end of this video, do that. And you can watch my full overview and tutorial. If you made it to this point in the video and you haven't already, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. Greatly appreciate you making it to this point in the video. Thank you for watching. Hit that end card right now. Head on over to my full tutorial, and hopefully I will see you on the inside very, very soon. Take care.